You can see yourself, eh? Yeah, this is Georgia.
Yeah, Daddy.
Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back, and I'm here with little Georgia. And Georgia, how old are you? How old are you? You're 2. Are you 2? Yeah, you're 2. Today we're going to be doing some preschool drawing lessons to show even that you're so small, you can still do some really fun drawing. You ready? Right, today we're going to be using our little painting sticks, and these are really fun because they make a lot of color and spread on the paper without too much effort, so it's really fun with small little hands. You ready to go? We're going to draw ice cream today.
Help me.
Yeah, sure, I can help you. We're going to draw ice cream today. Yeah, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, first we're going to draw ice cream cone.
Yeah.
I'm going to draw ice cream cone, so we're going to start here and we're going to go down and up like a V. So we go down, up. Can you do that here?
Dad, help me.
You can do it. Yeah, so we can start there. Yeah, and you go down and then back up to there. That's it. Great job. That's your cone. And then we're going to draw a nice big round part of the ice cream sitting on top of the cone. Yeah, it's going to be super yummy. You ready?
Oh my gosh.
So we're going to draw a circle.
Some ice creams.
Yeah.
And some sprinkles.
We'll draw some sprinkles too. So we're going to draw a big round one. Great job. And then at the bottom, we're going to draw a little wavy line. Look at this wavy line. That's the bottom of our ice cream to there. That's it. You can draw a straight line too. Very good. Do you want to add another ice cream on top?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can add a new flavor. And we can draw another one up there. Very good. And you can just join it here at the bottom. You can join them together. So you can draw a little line that goes down like this. Choop. Good. And join one over there a little bit. That's good. Amazing job. So we're going to give it some color. What flavor ice cream do we like? You like strawberry?
Yeah.
You can use some strawberry. I'll use strawberry too.
Help me.
Really good ice cream you got there. So which one are you going to color pink? Which ice cream? Are you going to color the top one pink? Can I do the same?
Yeah.
Strawberry. Okay, you color over that one. And you can just draw really nice and slowly. And it can color so much. Nice and quick. Very good coloring. Keep going. That's it. And you can do your corners a little bit too. Slowly. Doing really well though. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You went to the ice cream cone. Try color this. What we can do a different color for that one. We can use all our colors. Great job. Right, we can do now chocolate flavor if you want. Do you want to do chocolate flavor?
Yeah.
Great, let's try chocolate.
Please help me.
Yeah.
So delicious.
So delicious. You did it. All right, now that brown one is for this one, and we're gonna do chocolate. That's okay. You can color over it. Maybe your pink ice cream is melting all the way down. Yummy. You ready to do chocolate?
Yeah.
So let's do chocolate. So you can start coloring this one.
Melting.
Melting, yeah. That's it. See, look at mine. I've colored in just that part. Very good. You can carry on more. You want to color all of the white bits. That's it.
Just pick one.
Yeah, you can color over the pink one.
Yeah.
Because it's just melting a little bit.
Yeah. I'm still drawing my paper.
Yeah, you are. You're doing a great job. You don't have to go too fast. You can take your time too. You want to color this little bit over there.
This comes out.
Yeah, you got it. Good job.
We can draw on pink.
Yeah, you can draw that too. But if you take your time and go slowly, it'll be more in the lines. But we're just practicing and having fun. Good job. I really like that chocolate flavor. It looks super yummy. Now, what's this part called? What's this part called? Ice cream. What's the part you hold? The cone. It's the ice cream cone. You ready to color in your ice cream cone?
Like a golden.
Yeah, it's kind of like a golden color. You ready?
Yeah.
You are ready.
Please help me.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ready to do coloring it. There we go. I've colored my ice cream cone. It looks so nice. You got it. Yeah, you got it. Let's. You can just use your hand and go up and down and up and down. You do
up and down.
You do up and down.
Pink one.
Yeah, because the pink one is melted down your ice cream cone.
Yeah.
Oh, because maybe it's a really hot day.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to eat your ice cream quickly.
Yeah. When it melts.
When it melts, yeah. Whoa, not too much. You want to stay. Try to stay in this pot, just your ice cream cone.
Well, that's like melting.
Yeah, it's melting. Good coloring. Really good coloring.
Cut. That's like melting chocolate.
Yeah, it's a melting chocolate. Is it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got a little bit more there. See, you've drawn yourself a really cool ice cream. Really good job, Georgia. Really good job. I really like it. Do you like your ice cream?
Well, now draw another one ice cream.
You want to draw another one?
Yeah.
You want to draw another ice cream?
Yes.
Ah, we can draw another ice cream. All right, let's draw another one.
Yes.
Let's draw.
Another one.
Should we draw an ice cream on a stick?
Stick.
Like an ice lolly?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Let's try an ice lolly. Okay, we're gonna go one more time.
I'm gonna draw another one first.
Okay, we're gonna draw an ice lolly this time, okay?
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do, we're first gonna draw the side of the ice lolly, and we're just gonna draw a line that goes straight down. Just a straight line from here, and go down from here.
Oh, I want.
You got it? But not too high. Okay, that's fine. Straight down, stop. Yep, that's fine. And then we're gonna draw the line next to it, go straight down. Go a little bit inside, okay, stop. Good. And then the line at the bottom, joining them together. You're doing an amazing job. And then we gotta join them at the top with a circle, the round at the top. Yeah, great job. Oh, we forgot the stick.
Yeah.
How do we hold it? We hold it with the stick. So draw a line down from the middle. That's it.
Stick.
That's right. Go a little bit, maybe to there. Straight down. There you go. And then we go up, that, to a little loop over here, into a little loop. Good job. And then go straight back up to your ice cream. Good job. That's great. You did really well. You ready to color it? Some flavors?
Oh no, brother.
Which color are you gonna make yours? Pink again. I think I'm gonna do a rainbow one.
Oh my god, I wanna do a rainbow one.
Do you want to do a rainbow one too?
This one.
Yeah, you can use pink. I'm gonna start with yellow.
Yeah.
Right. I'm gonna start with yellow, and I'm just gonna color in
First, start in
this
pink.
part first.
Start pink first.
And then I think I'll do.
It's melting.
It's melting too?
Yeah.
You're doing so well. And I'll do a little bit of.
Here. See?
Good job. Which color do you want to do next? Which color do you want to do next?
Ready.
That's okay. Do you want to do a new flavor?
Yeah.
Which color? Which flavor would you like? Wow, you even drawing coloring in with your hands.
Yeah.
Which one would you like to use? Some chocolate. Nice. I'm gonna try some pink too.
Just green.
Look at you.
Wow, rainbow. And a rainbow.
You can try doing a rainbow. You can mix your colors together.
Yeah. I'm thinking what's melted.
I can't remember which colors the rainbow is properly.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna be doing lots of different colors.
Yeah, me too.
You too. And then I'm gonna do
Colors come
a
out.
little bit of blue.
Come out. Look. Oh, what
You're doing really well. You got a little bit of white side on the sides. Do you want to try to get those?
I'm good at this. Look, some chocolate.
You did very well. You're in the lines there. Look at that. So good. Want to close that lid? Which color are you going for next?
What's green?
Green is here. You can do green.
Two green. Two.
Yeah, I'm doing green too.
Me too.
Yeah.
I'm blue.
Do you want blue? Do
Yeah,
you want
I'm
blue or green?
blue.
Okay, cool. You got blue over there. Good job.
You're blue and red. I got no red. I got no red. Only part of red for me.
You want my red?
Yeah.
You can use my red. See?
Yay.
You're doing really good.
Yeah.
That's it.
me
Keep going.
and you.
Yeah, that's us. You're doing a great job.
So I'm there. When it's finished. When it's o'clock. Quickly, Dada.
What's that?
Quickly. It's almost old clock.
It's almost o'clock.
Yeah.
Are we on? Do you have a time limit? What's your next color? What's your next
I
flavor?
want yellow.
Here you go. There's yellow.
Thank you.
What flavor is yellow?
Um,
Kind of like banana. Is it banana flavor?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Where are you gonna color yellow? Okay. That's right. Right here. You can add some yellow in there.
Please help me. Oh.
That's right. It's got a little bit of green on there. That's my fault.
That's
Yeah.
rude.
Look, I can do my stick now.
Yeah.
Do my stick. Got mixing all your colors. Very good. How about a little bit of yellow across here so it blends with your red one? And then you got a bit of orange and it starts to blend like a rainbow here at the bottom.
Yeah. Please help me.
Yeah, sure. Which color do you want next? Do you want some blue here or
I
some
want
green?
some golden.
You want some what?
Golden.
Some golden.
Yeah.
There you go. There's your golden.
Sorry. Yeah. Some o'clock.
Almost.
Some o'clock.
Yeah, but you don't have to rush. You've got enough time. Let's pull this back up for you. Let's pull it back up. Wait. I'm gonna smooth it up for you. There you go. So it's on our mat. You're doing amazing job, Georgia.
Let's stick.
Good job. You colored your stick in. Are you finished?
No.
You're not finished. Which color do you want next?
And
Maybe you can do some blue around the side.
yeah. Oh, it's come out. Sorry.
There we go.
Thank you.
You're doing great. I really like this ice cream. This looks like one of the most yummiest ice creams
Yeah.
ever. You're coloring very well.
Come out.
You're gonna catch all those white spaces.
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
Come out.
Which color are you using right now?
Please. Got all this my finger.
Okay. Which color are you gonna use for that? You don't have some green. You can use some green.
What's o'clock?
What o'clock? We're not rushing. Come on. Come finish your drawing. Yeah, let's say hi, everyone.
That's me and you.
That's me and you. That's right. Okay, you ready to draw? You want to finish your ice cream so you can show Mummy? Yeah. So you can color this part. This is the last part you need to color, and then we can show Mummy how beautiful the ice creams. You ready? Oops, I'll hold it for you.
Quickly.
You don't have to rush.
I can hear something.
That's okay, because
Look
you're
at
focusing
my
really hard.
ears.
Yeah. Next time we'll draw a face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to draw another one.
Wow, what a nice one. Okay, next time we'll draw another one, okay?
I want to draw another one now.
All right, just now. First we have to say bye to everyone because everyone's got to go. You've done a wonderful ice cream. What do you think, Georgia? Is that just such a yummy looking ice cream? Hope you enjoyed that and followed us along. As you can see, even 2-year-olds can draw some amazing drawings. Such a nice ice cream. You gonna say bye?
Yeah.
Yeah, see you next time. Bye. Good job. Good job on the ice cream.